Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, on board an Aquafibre 44 Entrepreneur. This is the interior of this vessel. Large aft galley, patio doors. You see really nice design and layout. Makes it a really bright, nice place to prepare meals and eat breakfast. You have a pull-out drop leaf table there, Waco fridge, microwave running off its own inverter. Off the galley you have a twin cabin. It's all very spacious and tidy, heating throughout the boat, diesel warm air heating, either Webasto or Eberspacher. Looking at it, I think it's Eberspacher. Aft heads and shower at the back end of the boat. One of three on this boat, I believe. Note 2. Small mid-cabin single. Just before the raised saloon, and opposite that, a good-sized double cabin. All pretty well presented. Shut the door behind me. Moving forward into the raised saloon area. Companionway out to the side deck when the roof is down. Good sized saloon which pulls out and converts to a double berth. You see no canopy at the back, all solid panels. It's not particularly drafty in here at all. The vessel sleeps 9. So 2 heating systems, one forward, one aft. Television with DVD, stereo. Very nicely presented ex-hire craft, just off hire this season. Moving forward to the master cabin, which is really the showpiece of these boats. Absolutely lovely. Full-size master with its own ensuite large heads and shower. As you can see, all pretty well presented. Nice tidy boat. This is January. Doesn't smell damp in here. Well ventilated. Manual toilet to pump out. Shower, full wet compartment. Also a large storage area in this forward master. Really a very nice boat. I've got 3, 4, 5 of these now available. If you'd like further information on the Aquafibre 44 Entrepreneur, please don't hesitate to contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.